So the exciting part, we are announcing the winners. This year, the Orbit Challenge winner is Team Eco AI. They achieved frame accuracy at 71.67. And I think we have this team online, so let's have them take over.
I cannot share my presentation.
Can you try again? Yeah, I think we can see your screen
yes,
now.
let's begin. Could you hear my voice?
Yes. Yeah, I think you can start now.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, we are hearing you. Oh, sorry. Yes, we can hear you. Please start.
Okay. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We are the Eco AI team, and we will be discussing our work on distilled mobile VIT for the future challenge. Let me introduce our method. We developed an efficient and accurate lightweight fusion model by combining three key components for this challenge. These three key components are Vision Transform Architecture, Automated Data Augmentation, and a Knowledge Distillation Framework for the future object recognition task. In the beta training stage, we first apply automated data augmentation to the support set. Knowledge distillation transfer knowledge from the powerful teacher to our complex student model. During the test, we use only the complex student model to perform personalization. On this slide, we explain the details of network architecture. In video object analysis, the VIT module has demonstrated outstanding performance, so we aimed to incorporate it into our approach. Then recent work has explored investigating vision transform into mobile-friendly architecture as shown in below table. Among these architectures, mobile S2 was identified as the most proper backbone for our future object recognition task. The second key component is the data augmentation. The best combination of augmentation rendered exhaustive search is feasible during the challenge period. Therefore, we investigated the recent automated augmentation policies. Based on our evaluation results, Tribal Auto Augment was found the most robust performance gain for our future object recognition task. For the knowledge distortion framework, our large teacher model was evaluated, including VIT Clim and Dino V2. Then Dino V2 or large model for vision task was identified as the most proper teacher model for our future object recognition task. To address the model capacity gap between the large Dino V2 teacher and our compact mobile student model, we incorporated a normalization of the logic during the distillation process. For the experimental result, we compared our mobile S2 model against the baseline method. The VIT clean baseline has a high accuracy but is penalized due to high computational cost. The efficiency V0 is more efficient but has a low accuracy. Combining trivial augmentation with the enhanced knowledge distillation framework further improved the accuracy to 71%. In conclusion, by effectively combining the three techniques, our method achieved an improved accuracy of future challenge while maintaining a low computation cost. Looking ahead to future work, we aim to extend this research by developing practical solutions to effectively detect and identify image-based material with the eco-friendly industries. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Team Eco AI.